Hello and good morning or good afternoon or good evening, wherever you're watching this from. This is Gustavo Tolosa. I am the Starch Solution Coach and the founder of this page in Facebook. And today I wanted to show you how I'm going to make Chef AJ's cauliflower rice pudding. So let's get started. AJ said that one day she wanted to make this rice pudding and she went to the freezer where she usually keeps rice and there was no rice. So she had some riced cauliflower. This is cauliflower that I riced myself, but you can buy it already riced. And there are 4 cups that I'm going to put in the Instant Pot. 4 cups. Then you need 4 cups of diced apples. You can get the Envy apples or whatever apples you like, but I would suggest you get the sweetest apples. That's 4 apples, which is actually 4 medium apples. And I left the skin, but you can peel them. And to that, we're going to add half cup of unsweetened applesauce. This is applesauce that I also made myself, but you can buy it already made. Just make sure it doesn't have any sugar added. We will add 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk. Sometimes I make my own, but this time I didn't. And this is almond milk, but you can use any milk, plant milk that is sugar-free. Then you need 1 cup of golden raisins, and I have mostly golden raisins, but I had a few cranberries, so I just put them there. But that is 1 cup as well. And let's see what else we have here. We need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon or apple pie spice. And guys, I have cinnamon, but I also have pumpkin pie spice. And I also have ground allspice. And I just don't know which one to put. What should I put? Let me know what you think I should put. And we also will put 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean powder. The advantage of this is that it doesn't have alcohol added. And most of the vanilla that is liquid has alcohol. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And I appreciate it. Someone says to put pumpkin pie. I'm leaning towards that. So I think that that's what I'm going to do. Pumpkin pie spice. Or you can just use plain cinnamon. And so there is the tablespoon. And then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, which, of course, if you don't have the powder, that's okay. Use liquid. It's okay. So this is my powder vanilla here. And that's it. It couldn't be any easier. So what you need to do is put it in the Instant Pot at 5 minutes. And if you hold on now for a second here, I'm going to, I think I need to stir this a little. It doesn't say that, but I think it needs it. So I'm just going to mix it. And this is a great way. Of course, if you have brown rice or even white rice already cooked, and you have it frozen or you have it already made, use that. But this is a great way to sneak in some healthy vegetable in something that people will love to eat. So I have never tried this one. So this is going to be new for me. And it's going to take 5 minutes after it gathers pressure, which is probably going to be more like 10 minutes. But that's it, guys. So let's see here. Let's put the lid. Let's put it at 5 manual here. Wow, it's already at 5. Okay, so make sure that it's sealed. And now it's time to cook it. So there it's announcing that it's ready to, it's starting to heat up. We are currently reading this book in our book club. I don't know if you know that every month I do an online book club, and it's free to join, and we have a lot of fun reading and discussing the book of the month and making recipes and having guests. Sometimes I cook something, sometimes I play the piano for you. If you want to join this free club, send me an email. My email is info@plantemas.com. We meet every Saturday. So today we meet, and it's at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. That is 3 p.m. Central or 1 p.m. Pacific. And we are reading chapter 6 today of this book. And there are some gifts that the author himself is giving you when you purchase either the paper or the electronic version of it. I also want to invite you to my website, which is actually plantemas.com. And it's a website that is bilingual. It's in Spanish and it's in English. So you can click, if you're a Spanish speaker, go to the Spanish section. If you're an English speaker, click on English content, and you will see some content there. This is a website that Dr. Diego Poniman, who practices medicine in New York City, and I have started. So what you will find that I think you will like is several of the cooking shows that I did. And they really are shows because I show you not only some unique recipes that I came up with, but I also do a mini concert at the end. I travel and I show you places and I show you people. In one of them, I showed you my mother and two of my favorite aunts. One of them has the gnocchi, which is one of my favorite pasta, which is totally made out of potatoes. And it does have flour in the original version and an egg and one egg, but I am showing you how to make it without flour and eggs. There's also my famous grandmother's polenta that is baked, and it is heavenly. And there are many other recipes that you won't find anywhere else, and those are on that website. You can register for that. Okay, our rice pudding with cauliflower is done, and we will stir it. And yes, you can see how, well, it's not rice, but it is very close to it. It looks like it. Let's see, this is very hot, so yellow bowl, my favorite color, yellow. So, well, let's see. Let's put some there, and we will try it. Well, let's see how this came out. It's still very hot. I am assuming that as it cools down and as it sits maybe for an hour or two, the flavors will get more intense, but I want to try it for you, so let's see. Yeah, I mean, I sincerely doubted that if you don't tell somebody, that they will be able to figure out that it was cauliflower, because I can tell because I know what it has. I don't think I would be able to tell that it was cauliflower. It's very good. And it's very sweet. I guess the raisins and the applesauce and the apples, to me, it's enough sweetener. If you need it to be sweeter, you might want to add some dates to it, some chopped dates. But otherwise, I hope you make it and enjoy it. And I'll see you either at the book club or at one of my cooking shows. Bye-bye.